Hello everybody, this is Mr. Lee. I'd like to go over a few things that came up in DMOD today regarding the MLA, citation information basics, how to put a parenthetical documentation in, and exactly how to do it if you don't have page numbers. So let me take you through a basic paper that was turned in on another year. I'll read the top. F. Scott Fitzgerald wrote many wonderful books, including probably his most well-known work, The Great Gatsby. Scott was born in St. Paul, Minnesota on September 29, 1896, where he was later sent to a Catholic prep school in New Jersey, and then went on to graduate from Princeton. Now I'll stop here for a second to say that I know where this author got it. Got it from a book written by a Lauter, Mr. or Mrs. Lauter, presumably on page number 1. Well, that's exactly what you need to do. You need to tell who wrote it and where did it come from. However, this one has page numbers. What if you don't have page numbers? What if it's a web page that's one continuous scroll of information that does not have page numbers? In that case, you would have to indicate a paragraph number. Let's say, for instance, this was found, we went to our web page and we looked at it and we counted down and we found it was in paragraph number 15. Well, if we write it this way on our paper, it only looks like page number 15. So it's inadequate for what we're doing. We need to put in a paragraph symbol. And this is how you do it. Take your mouse, go up to Insert at the top of your word bar. Drop down, insert a symbol. Click there. You get this box here. Symbols and special characters. You're looking for a special character, so click on the Special Character tab. In this case, paragraph, which is this little, looks like a backwards capital P, is what you need to insert. So let's highlight and click Insert. And there it goes. That's all you have to do. And you just close out, and you're done. Now let's say, for instance, it's not paragraph 15, but some sort of line number. Now I'm talking, and this is totally hypothetical here, but in your papers, let's say you found it in the Kalevala, but it's in a line number. You don't know which line number it is because it's this terribly long poem that has hundreds and hundreds of lines, and you don't want to count them all. Let me show you exactly what to do. Go to your source. I'm starting with Rune 3 of the Kalevala. I'm going to highlight the text all the way down to, well, this is enough. Copy it. Close this. Open up a new document. Now, you need to set up the page so that the things that you have in it are viewed normally and will have the line number. So you go to File, Page Setup. Click Page Setup. Click Layout. Down at the bottom, there's this button, so it's line numbers. Click there. You want to add line numbering. Click in the box. You want the line numbering to start at line number 1, move through the text automatically, and count by 1. In other words, count every one line. You don't want it to restart each page or restart in each section. You want it to run continually throughout the entire thing. And then, OK. Then close out. And then drop your text on. Now you'll notice you can't see the line numbering. That's fine. That doesn't mean you haven't done it. Let's go back up to the top. There are none there because the pesky little thing about line numbering in Microsoft Word is that the line numbering is not visible in normal view. So in order to check that you've done it right, you need to go to View and go to Print Layout. Once you do, there they are. Those are your line numbers, and you can say, I found it on line number 442 to 445, 442 to 445. You're done. In fact, as you can probably abbreviate that to just line. And you're done. I do hope this helps, and I really wish you good success on this rough draft. Let's get it done. Have a good weekend.